In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock time zone in Calendly. If you run webinars, in-person sessions, or any meeting where you want all invitees to see times in a single consistent time zone, this is exactly what you need. Locking the time zone makes sure your availability is calculated against the zone you choose, preventing confusion for guests in different regions. Start by opening your Calendly account and heading to your scheduling page. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the event type you want to update. This could be a one-on-one, a group session, or any other event you've already set up. Click into that event to open its settings. You'll land in the event editor where you can adjust details like duration and availability. On the right side of the editor, look for the event settings panel and open availability. This is where Calendly determines when people can book with you. Within availability, find the time zone control. Open the time zone drop-down to see the full list of options. Choose the specific time zone you want to lock the event to. A helpful tip here, pick a city-based time zone rather than a fixed offset. For example, select a city like New York, London, or Sydney instead of a plain UTC offset. City-based zones automatically handle daylight saving time, so your schedule stays accurate throughout the year. After selecting the correct time zone, review the summary you see in the editor to make sure it reflects your intended zone. When an event is locked, Calendly will display that time zone on the booking page so invitees know exactly which zone the listed times refer to. This is especially useful if your audience spans multiple countries because the event page clearly indicates the standard you're using. Once you're confident the time zone is correct, click Save Changes. You should see a confirmation that your updates were saved. From now on, this event type will show available times based on the locked time zone you chose. Your connected calendars and buffer settings will respect that choice, helping avoid accidental overlaps caused by regional differences. A couple of quick best practices before we wrap up. Use clear naming in your event title or description to reinforce the time zone your event uses. And choose the city that best represents your schedule to ensure automatic daylight saving adjustments. If you manage several event types, repeat this configuration where needed so everything stays consistent. And that's it. Your Calendly event now uses a locked time zone, giving your invitees a reliable, consistent booking experience.